Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. I'm Nick with Little Bucket Fishing, and welcome to another fishing adventure. Well, me and my dad are out here fishing with the lures that I just made, with the paddle tails that I just made. Doing some little bit of bass fishing. Uncle Mike's pond. I think all the bass are down here in this corner. I didn't see anything that way. It's probably because these bass right here. Hey, my lures do work.
I'm gonna put my picture on your cover. Hey, little feller.
No!
Was that the one?
That was the smaller of the two that were right there. He ate that like no other. Ooh, got one. Come here, guy. No, he's going back into the... I don't know where he went. No. He got away. Yeah, he got away. He's right here. Shit. No. Yes, sir. The lures do work.
That's pound and a half.
Yeah. Hey. Little bass right there with my handmade lure. You gonna keep this guy? You throw him back?
Yeah, I'll keep that.
He smoked that too.
Catch me one more like that and running like that.
No! I missed him. He ate it. It was a small bass, I think. Yes, sir. A little bit smaller one.
What do you call it?
Huh?
What do you call your lure?
I don't know yet. Come here, guy. Another one with the lure. You want him or is he too small? I think there's another one in there too, about that same size. Well, that's the end of that little adventure we had. We had probably 25 to maybe 30 minutes to fish that, and we caught a few bass, missed a whole bunch of them. Just wanted to test out my new paddle tails that I had made. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, hit me down in the comment section. I will get back to you guys. And if you haven't yet and you feel like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That definitely helps me out. So until next week, we'll catch you next video.